guys, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So welcome back to my channel Anxiety. So this video is regarding today's IELTS test review. You know that we are having our IELTS exam by morning section and also evening section. Nowadays, due to this pandemic situation, they are conducting it in two slots, morning slot and also evening slot. Anyway, the first section got finished and I'm here with the review video. Usually we are preparing some slides and all. Then I got so many messages from students regarding today's exam review. Then I thought of sharing that with you directly. Anyway, first we will start off with the listening section as usual. So in the listening, the module was easy for both academic and general modules. So today we had both academic and general module test, and both the IDP and British Council conducted their exams all around India and also abroad. So first we'll see regarding the listening audios. So listening audios was easy only. And in part 1, they got fill up type of question as usual, and it was up to 2 words. And in part 2, they got short MCQs. She just messaged like that only, short MCQs. Then in part 3, they got large MCQs along with some selection of letters. And in part 4, they got fill up type question, that was 1 word only fill up. So overall, the listening section was quite easy only. Then moving on to the reading section. And this message was sent by Anjali, and she appeared for academic test only. So it's regarding academic only. So the passage 1 was easy, passage 2 was little bit moderate, and passage 3 was also little bit moderate. The question types was match the information type of question, true, false, not given type of question. Then again match the information type of question, then fill up type and also MCQs. That was the question types, and she didn't mention that under each passage and all. Anyway, the reading section was in moderate level only. Then moving on to the writing task. The task 1 was a bar graph, so our prediction again gone true. And regarding the task 2, the question was, nowadays children spend more time playing computer games than doing sports. So why is it happening? Does it have a positive or a negative development on their development? So we already in our prediction video, I just mentioned that there is lot of chance to get positive or negative type of question under opinion type. So the question was same. I think it was repeated question only. Previously also they asked the same question. Anyway, I prepared one model. Actually, I took this model from internet only. I will show you that. Okay, and I got one more message from Rajkur. And regarding the listening test, it was quite easy only. It was fill up type question was there, match the information type of question was there, then short MCQs. Then after that, regarding the reading section, it was in moderate level. I find the passage 1 was moderate, passage 2 was moderate, and passage 3 was little bit tricky. And the question type was selection of letters, match the information type of questions, MCQs, and true false not given type of question. I think he appeared under general module only. Then regarding the writing 2, task 2 was not remembering. Okay, the task 1 was semi-formal letter. Okay, and I got one more message from Kirtana, that is from Kerala. The listening section was easy only, and we got fill up type of question in part 1, and in part 2 with short MCQs, part 3 again large MCQs, and it was a little bit tricky. And in in part 4 they got the audio was little bit fast, and that was fill up type question only. So that's all about the listening. So overall, I think the listening section was easy only comparatively with the previous exams. Then regarding the reading section, it was also in moderate level. I find 2 and 3 passage was little bit tricky. Okay, so overall the reading section was in moderate level only in the morning slot. Then about the writing, the task 1 was a bar graph, and task 2 related to children and game. So we already mentioned the exact question. Now I will show you the model answer for task 2. You can check out that too. Okay, how to write the body paragraph, how you want to answer for this particular question, how you want to divide the introduction, how to divide the body paragraph, and all. So this is the question. Nowadays, children spend more time playing computer games than doing sports. So why is it happening, and does it have a positive or negative effect on their development? So this is the question. So you want to answer for both the side. Okay. But if you are thinking that it is a positive effect, means you can move on with that. If you are thinking it's a negative effect, means you can move on with that, or else you can say it have positive and a negative effect. Okay. So it's coming under opinion type in the third category. Okay. So here you can see the model answer. Physical activity plays an important role in the physical and psychological development of children during the initial years of their life. However, urbanization and modernization have replaced outdoor games with indoor games and thus increased the number of couch potatoes among the current generation. In my view, this is negative development that affect the physical and mental development of children. So you want to start out with the general statement related to this physical activity and the effect in children, or about the urbanization or the modernization. You can just give a general statement, then you can paraphrase the question. Then after that, you want to mention your opinion along with the outline sentence, what you are going to deal in the coming body paragraph. Here, he just mentioned about the thesis statement only. Actually, I told that I took this model from internet. That's why I'm explaining each and everything. Okay. So you want to write the outline sentence too. Here, so we are going to discuss about this thing in the coming body paragraph. Okay, that's all about the introduction. Then in the first body paragraph, firstly, the urbanization eliminated public playgrounds from cities and towns. So that's the topic sentence. Then you want to explain what's the effect of that. Thanks to the development of all those housing complexes and shopping centers, the cities have become more congested than ever, leaving no rooms for little ones to enjoy outdoor games like cricket or football. Since playing such sports in narrow street cause disturbances to apartment dwellers, parents are forced to keep their children indoor. Okay, so that's the reason behind this thing. They asked for the reasons why it is happening like that, so that's the reason. Then in the second body paragraph, you can continue with the second set, whether it is a positive or a negative development. So you can stick on any one side or in both together. The security of children has become a cause for concern. Sorry, the security of children has also become a cause for concern. Parents are becoming wary of letting their children play outside. So, to keep them engaged indoors, they equip their children with video games, computers, and smartphones. As a result, children are getting detached from the benefits of playing outside. This unfortunately affects their physical and intellectual development. Sitting in front of a computer or gaming console for long hours can affect the eyesight of children and make them obese. Okay, so that's about the negative side. Okay, we already mentioned that we are moving on with the negative development. We think that it's negative development, so we are giving the reasons for that. Then if you have additional points, means you can add third body paragraph too, or else you can arrange these answers in two different body paragraph. Okay, so the studies have shown that physical activity helps the development of cognitive abilities like decision making and problem solving. Sports and games also teach children crucial life skills such as a team spirit and the ability to take success and failure alike. When children do not engage in sports, they are losing an opportunity to master these life lessons. So we given the additional points too. So in the first body paragraph, we just given the reason. Okay, that's the first part of the question. Then we move on with the negative development, and we just given how it can be, or how we can set it as a negative development in the second and also the third body paragraph with proper explanation and also example. Okay, so that's about the body paragraph. Then you can conclude your essay. In conclusion, you just want to restate the main points. To conclude, video games might keep children engaged for hours and end, but they do not help the overall development of children. So I strongly believe that spending too much time on playing computer games can be very harmful for the upcoming generation. Okay, so we just restated the main points with our opinion. So along with this, if you want to add call of action, means you can add that to in the conclusion. Who want to take the action towards this particular issue? Okay, whether the parents want to take care or the government want to implement new programs. Okay, like that you can give a call of action to. So that's all about your essay. So it's better to arrange the body paragraph into 2 to 3 according to your points. Okay, I think you are clear with this essay type. So I hope you all written well. and you all will get good scores. So all the very best for your results. Anyway, I will be back with evening slot review, and if I get all the answers for listening and reading means I will update that. Actually, I'm thinking about that, why we need to update this listening and reading answer, because we are getting negative comments too regarding the answers and all. After confirming the answers only, we are updating that. I'm collecting these answers from my students only while we are discussing with the students. After that only we are publishing that. So along with each video, I informed you that if you find any of these answers as incorrect one means, you can comment that below and you can share your own answers too. Like that only we are updating the video. So try to avoid the negative comments and be positive, and try to comment your listening and reading answers too. Okay, if I get everything means I will update a video regarding that. So that's all. So try to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification whenever I upload new videos. Normally we are updating more videos related to IELTS only. So if you are preparing for your IELTS test means, this channel will really help you out for that. We are coming up with more speaking and the writing topics. So it will really help you out in your exam preparation. So try to subscribe, and if you like this video means, please give thumbs up and share with your friends who already took their IELTS test. Then they can just rewind what all things they wrote and all. So that's all about today's video, and I will be back with the evening section review. Stay tuned. Bye bye.